In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kive AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get in, look around with confidence, and start creating on-brand visuals using the core parts of the interface. Kive AI is designed to help you create, manage, and scale content, so think of it as your creative control center for images, videos, product shots, and custom styles. Start by opening your browser and heading to kive.ai. On the landing page, look for the Login button and click it. When the sign-in window opens, choose Continue with Google. Grant the necessary permissions so Kive can connect your account securely. If you already have access, you'll be taken into the app right away. If not, you may be prompted to confirm basic profile details. Today we'll stick with Google to keep things quick and seamless. Once you're in, go to the Home section. This is your hub for creation. From here, you can start an image, spin up a video, generate a product shot, or craft a custom style. Home is great when you already know what you want to make. A quick tip. Before you start a big project, note your brand's tone, color preferences, and any must-have elements. Having that handy will help you prompt more precisely and stay consistent. Next, move to Discover. This is where you can browse a range of styles and visual directions. Use it for inspiration and benchmarking. Pay attention to composition, lighting, and color usage. When you see a look you like, keep track of the wording used to describe it. Those descriptors can inform your own prompts and style settings later. Head over to Create. Here you can produce beautiful images from text alone. Be descriptive and concrete in your prompts. Mention subject, setting, mood, lighting, and aspect ratio if relevant. For example, you might specify soft morning light, a shallow depth of field, or a clean studio background. Small details can make a big difference in the output. Explore AI models to view demo models and understand how each one behaves. Some will prioritize photorealism, others a more stylized or illustrative look. Choosing a model that matches your goal will save time and reduce revisions. Go into Edit to refine results. Use the editing tools to adjust framing, tweak colors, clean up edges, or make targeted changes without rebuilding from scratch. It's ideal for polishing final assets. Finally, visit Library to organize your work. Create boards to group related assets by campaign, client, or theme so everything stays searchable and easy to reuse. With that, you're ready to navigate Kive AI confidently and start creating at scale.